Good day! This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our WS8 Ultra. We are done with the pairing of the support app for the WS8. So it is using the RD Fate support app. So we have it here already. Okay, we paired it successfully and so far it's stable. No issues with the disconnection. We'll see later on as we check more of the different features of the WS8 and the RD Fit support app. So if you have any questions regarding this video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so our smartwatch is ready. Okay, it is now fully loaded. Okay, we charge it. And of course, it is paired already with our support app, the RD Fit app. As you can see here, we have the watch face market. And this is the section, the part of the support app that we are going to explore, the watch face section. Okay, so but before that, let's take a look at the preloaded watch faces in the WS8 smartwatch. As you can see, we have a watch face. Let's see if this one. Okay, so this one, it is interactive. It changes color. Okay, 2-in-1 watch face. How about this one? Wow, nice. Okay, this one. So it changes colors. Okay, it's still the same design, but you can change the color here. So this one, no. How about this? Nothing. This one, no. Okay, that's it. Okay, so far as you can see here, it is preloaded with different watch faces. With other watch faces has a smart, okay, uh, function on it. Changes color when you tap on the watch face. Okay, so if you want to change your watch face, let's see. Okay, so it's not working only through the crown button here. So let's take a look. Do we have other watch faces available for download? We have it here in the RD Fit app. Okay, so in your dashboard, just tap on the device, go to the watch face market, tap on more, and we have here several free watch faces. Okay, so let's check, let's explore. Okay, we have some classics here. Analog watch face design. Okay, so beautiful looking watch faces. Okay, we have a comprehensive list of analog watch faces here. Okay, let's go for the digital watch faces. Okay, so still we have the spaceman, okay, concept. Let's explore more on the bottom part. Let's look for a professional looking watch face. It's more on animated or cartoonish watch face here. I think this one, it will change color when you tap on it. Christmas theme watch face. Okay, so let's check. Let's just pick one. There's a very long list of watch faces here, so it may take some time before we can find a watch face that we want. Okay, let's just go for the analog type here. Okay, this one, let's check this one. Okay, so let's download, let's try. tap on it, and it's already pushing it automatically to our smartwatch. Okay, they didn't even ask whether we like to download it or not. Once you tap on the watch face, it will be automatically pushed to your smartwatch, as you can see here. Okay, wait, and hopefully we will have a successful download. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we have it here, the watch face. Okay, so far it's fast, no problem with the downloading of the watch face. Okay, nope, I don't like it. That's why be careful when tapping or selecting, because it will be automatically pushed to your smartwatch. Let's look for another one. How about this? Okay, let's look. See, as you can see, it's automatically pushed to our smartwatch. Okay, anyway, it's fast. I have no complaints at all, except lang they should have put on a button here whether you like it or not. If you like it, you can cancel or just tap on the download if you want to download the watch face. Okay, so it is done. Okay, we have here the watch face. Okay, for the part here, customize. So this is a custom watch face, and look, we have an option whether we like it a digital or pointer dial. Okay, so let's try default pointer dial. Can we change the image here? Okay, we can change the color for the digital here, but I don't see any option in changing the image here. Please set the dial picture. I already tap on it, but it's not working. Okay, there's no option. Again, let's go back. What's going on with this custom? We'll select dial. Nope. So it says here, please set the picture, but there's no option in setting the picture where you can open and select an image. Okay, default, no option, no option. Okay, I think they missed something here, I don't know. See, no option for that. Okay, so that's it. I'll go back on this as we explore more on the section for watch faces. But so far, this is the only issue, as the custom watch face is not working. I don't see any option to select an image. Okay, so again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo, especially on the watch face section, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.